The spread looks amazing. Oh, this is good.
Good morning, guys. We're now in KL and we are heading to Yut Kee Restaurant for brunch.
Look at the murals here. Wow, look at that. They're so different these days. And Yut Kee is there. I register first.
Okay.
2 person.
Your name?
Sue, S-U-E. It's 10:30 right now, so we're kind of early. We waited about 5 minutes before we got our seats. Parking is limited here, but we managed to find a spot behind. I really love the old school kopitiam look. It's very vintage. Just gives you that feel, you know, it feels like it just brings you back in time. So classic. What shall we order? I guess we'll get the chicken chop. I have one chicken chop, roast pork special one, roti bakar one hot coffee, one cold coffee, one kaya roll, and one marble cake. I think that's it. Wow, it looks so good. Alright guys, our food is here. The spread looks amazing. Can't wait to eat. So this one is the Hainanese chicken chop. It comes with potato and some mixed vegetable, peas, carrots. Okay, let's dig in. Just easily slice in. Let's try, give this a try. Oh, this is good. It feels so homey. The flavor is nicely balanced. Oh, the potato is so soft. The chicken chop is really good. It's very juicy. And the potato is so soft and fluffy. So good. Let's try the roti bakar. Oh, the kaya is there at the bottom. Comes with a butter. It's nicely toasted. This is their homemade kaya. Okay, let's give this a try. Oh, I really love the homemade kaya. It's not like the smooth kind of kaya. It's a bit more textury. So fragrant, so coconutty. Homemade kaya is really good. I really love that.
Alright, so I've gotten myself the roast pork special and it's only available on Fridays, Saturdays and Sundays from 10 AM onwards while stocks last though. That's why we're here a little early and this looks incredible. It looks almost like a porchetta. Oh, you can hear that. It's crispy skin. Alright, let's dig in. Oh, that's a very tough skin. So it comes with an apple sauce as well. It has like multiple layers of this pork. There's like the lean part, but it's very tender and juicy. And the fat part just adds a lot of the juice into the bite. Okay, I'm going to try out with the sauce I've given in this bowl. Pour it all here. Cheers, guys. This is almost like a mushroom sauce. It adds that umami flavor onto the pork. It's so good. You guys definitely have to try this out when you come on the weekend. Oh, definitely very cow. So the other thing that they're famous for is their cakes, and we've got ourselves two of their famous cakes. Is their marble cake and also the kaya roll. I'm gonna dig in and try out their marble cake first. It's pretty good. Let's try the kaya roll. I like how they actually put in their homemade kaya over here. Let's try this out. Oh, this is really good. I enjoy this a lot. It's not too sweet, but the kaya does add a very nice fragrance and aroma. It's so good. Alright, we're gonna finish our food. We'll see you guys after this.
Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Overall, I really love the environment, really love the vintage, classic, old kopitiam kind of vibe.
This place has been around for at least 3 generations already, since 1928, and you can really experience the classy kopitiam environment.
Yep.
So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you like to watch more videos like this. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!
The alley is so cute here.
Yep.
Are they planting chilies? Yeah, so cute, they're planting chili padi. I think it's chili padi. Or maybe just chili and cabbage and all. Nice.